Workflow at a standstill because of the AutoCAD UI24.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. This DLL file is the user interface library for AutoCAD version 2021. It manages the rendering of ribbons, toolbars, and context menus, ensuring that the software's interactive elements respond correctly to user input on Windows systems. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error commonly appears when specific Autodesk AutoCAD files are missing or corrupted in the app folder. Reinstall the official version of Autodesk AutoCAD to repair the application and replace the AutoCAD UI24.dll dependency. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the AutoCAD UI24 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Installing an unverified version of the AutoCAD UI24.dll is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing the AutoCAD UI24 library references. If Autodesk AutoCAD is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.